Hello and welcome back to Cookie and the Haydens, and I'm Car Boot Chris, and this is another episode of 60-second tips. So this tip was brought back to me by a follower on Instagram who kindly reminded me that this was possible. I'd almost forgot about it myself. If you're struggling to identify a product or a character, like a figure character, then this tip is brilliant. So ideally, what you'll need first is to download the Google app. All you need to do is navigate to the photo search on the Google app and literally take a picture of the item, and hopefully Google will find other similar images on the web, and then you'll more than likely be able to find out the name of the item, the brand or the character name. Now eBay do actually have this facility when you do a search, but it's not quite up to scratch yet. But I have been informed that they're making big changes and big improvements to this function. So watch this space. This is a simple tip,
but it's effective.